Hello my dear students, good morning. Today we are going to learn about the pi number, which is very interesting. Now how we will write pi? Pi is pi. It is a Greek letter and it is Archimedes constant also. So it is a mathematical constant. So pi is your mathematical constant. Okay, pi is your mathematical constant. Now pi is a ratio. Pi is a ratio that is equal to pi is equal to circumference of the circumference of a circle divided by diameter. So we can say pi is equal to c by d, or we can say c is equal to pi by d, pi into d. So here c is circumference of the circle of a circle is equal to pi times of diameter, pi times of a diameter. Okay, now coming to the next part. So how to find the value of pi? This is most important thing, to find the value of pi. See, for example, I am taking one circle here. This is a circle and this is the diameter. Suppose circle. So when we open this circumference, this is equal to length. Length is equal to circumference. Now we keep diameter. Suppose diameter is x centimeter. So we keep diameter here. From this to this point is x. Again I am keeping diameter x. Again I am keeping diameter x. Still we have not covered with diameter. So this part is your 0.14 times of diameter. When you open this circumference, does this become length? So when we keep diameter, suppose x, and this part is your 0.14 times of x. Now add x plus x plus x plus 0.14x. This is equal to 3.14x. So now we can see that pi is the value is 3.14 approx. Now we know that pi is the irrational number. Now we know that pi is the irrational number, which means that it is a real number that cannot be expressed by a simple fraction. You know the meaning of simple fraction? I taught you, numerator by denominator. So pi we cannot express in fraction because pi, it is an infinite decimal. After the decimal point, the digits go on forever and ever. For example, the value of pi is 3.141592653589732 and so on. So see, after decimal, it is going forever and ever. That's why pi is the irrational number also, because it cannot be expressed by a simple fraction. So why it is called mathematical constant? because for any type of circle, means any type of, when you are taking any radius and you are drawing the circle, so every circle has diameter. So when you remove this circumference into length and when you measure with the diameter, so all are having 3.14. So 3.14 is a mathematical constant and we are taking as an approx value of for pi. So this is very interesting number, as when you go in the higher classes you will know that pi is a irrational number because it cannot be expressed in rational number, that is it is not in the form of p by q where q is equal to 0, and it is non-terminating and non-repeating because see here after decimal non-terminating means remainder never be 0, so remainder never be 0, and after decimal digits are go forever and ever, it will not end, it will go infinite, that's why it is called infinite decimal. So pi, it is an infinite decimal. After the decimal point, the digits go on forever and ever. So I hope you like this session. Pi is very interesting. Where we will use pi, for finding the area of circle, for finding the volume of any cube, any solid figure, and pi is, the concept is given by Archimedes. That's why it is called Archimedes constant. So when you apply pi, when you do this form, so pi will become irrational number. It will never end, but we keep as 3.14 as a constant value. Therefore, pi is a mathematical constant. I hope everybody liked this session. Thank you. God bless you all.